And here he comes.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Blackpool, England, weighing in at 211 pounds, VYB!
We talk a lot about locker room dynamics. You'll never hear a single negative thing backstage about this superstar.
Well, that is what happens when you treat your fellow superstars with respect. They respect you right back.
There are no awards for congeniality here in WWE. That respect means nothing if you lose.
A competitor with his share of detractors, but he wants to prove them all wrong here tonight.
Oh, yes, the divide.
Showing great balance.
And drops the elbow.
All the way to the top. What a victory roll!
Sent a message with that one. 2. And that's all she wrote.
Here's another quick look at some of the highlights.
Here is your winner, VYB!
He really got the better of the opposition here.
I agree, it was quite the display tonight.
With a win like this, things have got to taste a little bittersweet right about now.
Actually, Saxton, I imagine the win tastes a lot more like pennies.